हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय व्लॉग। मैं हूँ भावना और आ गई हूँ एक नई व्लॉग लेकर। इस समय मैं हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिटिल इंडिया में और यहाँ पे मैं आई हूँ एक इवेंट में और इस इवेंट का नाम है कैरियोकी नाइट। तो आइए जानते हैं कैरियोकी नाइट के बारे में और मैं मिलवाती हूँ यहाँ पे आए हुए सभी लोगों से। तो ब्लॉग में आगे हैं सबके परफॉर्मेंस, गाने, तो प्लीज़ आप इस ब्लॉग को पूरा देखिएगा। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस ब्लॉग को।
Hi everyone, my name is Udaini. You're in Little India, the heart of Little India. It's called Little India Harris Park. We are celebrating the Little India first time ever karaoke. It's a karaoke event. All this money, the funding will be going to the disadvantaged women around Sydney. So we welcome everyone to watch our channel. Bhavana.
Hello, my name is Devi Datta and I'm the founder of APHA. So APHA stands for Australian Peace and Harmony Association. So here at Harris Park, we are doing the first karaoke night. With me, I have Udeni. So she's from Little India Women's Sydney Association. This is a new association we started recently. So we welcome everyone for this karaoke and thank you everyone for supporting us. We are hoping to have more events like this to support all the women in Australia. And also unprivileged people.
Yes,
So we are raising funds for them as well.
yeah. So I hope everyone will join next time as well who couldn't join this time. So thank you so much.
Welcome all to the karaoke night. Looks like a fun place.
Everyone, seems like this is going to be a very good night. बहुत सारे singers आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे अपने preparation करके.
We're here in Harris Park, Chill and Grill. It's a karaoke night. It's an association by Little Women's Association and APHA, and they're doing this community engagement for us to get engaged and help each other. So it's a great initiative. Please come and join. And beside me we have Miss Nepal Royalty, Yamosha.
We're here at Little India for this great tonight. Hope you guys all enjoy with us. Thank you.
This is Connie and we are attending a great community charity event. So $10 from the ticket price is going to women who have experienced domestic violence. So I feel good that we're attending an event where the money is going towards a great cause and also
It's Devi Datta and Udeni, and it's supported by Little India, Olaipa, and our next singer. And still room, guys, so if you want to join in, you can sing.
सतरंग में रंग रंगा है इश्क रे, जोगी में और गंगा है इश्क रे। पाया तेरे सोहना लगदा, सूट नालों सोहनी सानू तू लगदी। ओ नैन ने नशीले नाग गुत्ता तेरियां, तक लवे जेड़ा खांदा फिरे केरियां। नैन ने नशीले नाग गुत्ता तेरियां, तक लवे।
बड़ी सी गाड़ी साथ बंगला, हर महीने नए देशों में है घूमना। ख्यालों में खोकर मैं देखूं खिड़कियों के बाहर खुद के ख्वाबों के महल को आसमां में खेलता। कुछ ही सालों बाद देखा खिड़कियों के बाहर मेला ना महल जो देता था मेरे ये दिल को राह। खुद गया जो सरतानों में भी गूंजिश, ऊंचाइयों से देखूं मैं दुनिया को, पर बंद मैं इस डिब्बे में कोई कर दो ओ रिहा। Thank you very much guys.
So much. We're just working on women empowerment at the moment, and then I think if we all work together, maybe we can make a sustainable future for all the women who can get a good opportunity to thrive. Thank you. है खबर मुझको भी है पता हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना Thank you. Everyone, dance. तुमसे मिलके हर माहों पूरे दिल के हो मेरी जाने वफा तेरी मेरी तेरी एक जान है साथ रहेंगे सदा तुमसे ना होंगे जुदा तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा तुमसे मिलके हर माह में पूरे दिल के थैंक यू
Followed after that, we have a special guest, a very prestige guest who will sing a song, and we're going to do a special, can I say surprise for tonight. So can I call our lovely gentleman, whose name I forgot because it's not on the list, Siddharth. Taylor Swift. Ah, okay, Sanjay said Taylor Swift. Ashutosh, you should be listening, you are a judge. Who is the most famous singer right now? So you cannot say Bollywood, Hollywood, according to you. Someone said Arjit Singh. Arjit Singh? No, only one. Only one. Arjit Singh? Ed Sheeran. Anyone else? Who's the most famous singer? Ed Sheeran. Huh? Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran. Anyone else? Sorry, Sabrina Carpenter. All right. No one else? Who's the most famous singer for you? So it can be anyone, but for you. Shreya Ghoshal. Wow. Oh yes, please come forward. Ashutosh is the most famous singer. Absolutely, 100%. Now, the reason, yes, I asked you all is because, can you all name one song? So, Sanjay ji, Taylor Swift's favorite song that you listen to every day. My point. My point was that sometimes we love the singers because they ace it and you can't remember the song. So what I'm saying is when you come on the stage, have the vibe. And we won't remember the song, but we'll remember you. Am I right? There you go. All right, is our next. Yes, please come forward, our lovely gentleman.
मेरी सांसों में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम। तू मेरे दिन में रातों में, खामोशी में बातों में, बादल के हाथों में भेजूं तुझको ये प्यार।
Amazing job. So you can tell there's a lot of hidden talent in Little India. Little India Women's Association is hosting this event in cooperation of IFA Hosting, supported by Little India Harris Park Business Precinct. So we really need more women like Udeni, and she's gonna sing a special song. Are you ready for it now? Not now.
My name is Udeni. I'm from Sri Lanka, though I'm working in Harris Park and a member of Little India Harris Park Business Precinct. I just recently have opened this Little India Women's Association in Little India Harris Park, but it's open to every woman who needs help in every way. So I would like to thank you, all of you, for coming today. Devi and me, we just decided, and then we had this event. So thank you so much for coming, everyone. I can't sing a song in Hindi because I'm a Sri Lankan, but I can sing a song in Sri Lankan language if you can listen to it. However, thank you so much again, and looking forward to see you all in another
Precinct. Thank you.
Kate, thank you for the kind introduction. And I must thank, this is not the time to give speech, but I would only like to say a big thank you to Udeni and Devi and all the amazing people who are here, especially the birthday girl and the birthday family. Happy birthday. And I would thank our Harinder Singh ji from Sanjay Vichar, Sunny Singh from Unmute Group, Ashutosh, come on, you mesmerized everyone. And people, let's sing. And the main aim is, don't forget, if you like the food, Raj Sadwal is our host today. The important thing is that we want more people to come to Little India Precinct, enjoy the food and have a good time. Thank you again. Have a nice evening.
गुम है किसी के प्यार में दिल सुभाषा, पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम। हाय राम, हाय राम। कुछ लिखा? हाँ। क्या लिखा?
तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छूकर तुम्हें खिल जाएगी, घर इनको बुलाओ कभी। बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ।
And we're gonna get our judge soon, so can you please tell me the reason behind your pain and emotion? Because we all felt it, right? It was so beautiful.
I'm just clueless what to speak on this. Maybe 13 years of marriage, is that what I can say?
How many years?
13 years of marriage, but that's not the truth actually. So I don't know when, I sang this song around a month back somewhere else, and I don't know, I just started sweating. My wife was worried. She was calling the place where I was singing. They actually, they thought I was unwell. So, and I was perfectly fine. I was actually in the zone of singing that song.
What's fucked up and everything's alright. Back by my wider side, you know I'm still alive. I walk alone now. I walk alone. I walk alone now. I walk alone. I walk alone. My shadows only runs the walls beside me. My shadow heart is only things that be there. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then I walk alone. यार नाम दे रंगरेजा 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 कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन। जब जग में कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था नहीं था नहीं था नहीं था नहीं था, वो जो तुझ में समाया वो जो मुझ में समाया मौला वही कहीं माया। वो जो तुझ में समाया वो जो मुझ में समाया मौला वही कहीं माया। कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन पाया कुन।
हर तू क्या जाने तेरी खातिर कितना है बेताब ये दिल। तू क्या जाने देख रहा है कैसे कैसे ख्वाब ये दिल। दिल कहता है तू है यहाँ तो जाता लम्हा थम जाए। वक्त का दरिया बहते बहते इस मंजर में जम जाए। तूने दीवाना दिल को बनाया इस दिल पर इल्जाम है क्या। सागर जैसी आँखों वाली ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या। दूर तेरी नजर खुशबू तेरा बदन जादू तेरी नजर खुशबू तेरा बदन। तू हाँ कर या ना कर तू हाँ कर या ना कर। तू है मेरी किरण तू है मेरी किरण जादू तेरी नजर। मेरे ख्वाबों की तस्वीर है तू बेखबर मेरी तकदीर है तू। मेरे ख्वाबों की तस्वीर है तू बेखबर मेरी तकदीर है तू। तू किसी और की हो न जाना कुछ भी कर जाऊं। आज
I am a member of the group, the Australian Peace and Harmony community that Devi is the leader of. So I am the public officer of that community. I would like to just personally thank everyone for being here today and donating towards this organization. We all know that there are some women who are secretly suffering, and the money that you have contributed towards today is going to the women in the shelter, the women who really need help to build their life in one way or another.
Sing happy birthday to Jessica. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip hooray.
Can I call our friends and families to come forward and wish this amazing special occasion and give her and send her some love? Thank you. Prestige work amongst the community. We really appreciate you.
I have studied Masters in Psychology from Sydney University. She is the founder member for Seva Australia. We started 1996. I have been associated with Seva Australia almost more than a decade now. So we look after the domestic violence cases, stress, mental health issues. Not only that, we do positive parenting sessions and family violence things. We work with police, lawyers, legal aid and community leaders. So I know Devi since so many years. So she started APA. Congratulations to her, and we are giving blessings to her as well. APA means I'm from Andhra. APA means big sister in Urdu language. So we wish that APA should represent in the community as a big sister. Whoever comes to approach them, so she can help them. And all APA members, congratulations to them. Thank you. Thank you for having us tonight. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful. All right, we're finishing the night by saying thank you all.
Happy to be here with Kate. Another successful event at Little India Harris Park Precinct. Kate helps us manage the events and did a fantastic MC job. This was like a karaoke night so that more people can come to Little India Harris Park Precinct and enjoy the music, enjoy the food. And thanks again to Devi and Udeni who did a beautiful event and good food and good catering done by Raj Sagwar of Chillen Hill Cuisine. Thank you again. Jai Hind.